All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to image trace a photo. So let's drop a photo. That was a PNG. You can use JPEG, you know, any image format really. So you're going to notice up here on your control bar, if you click on the image trace pops up. If you click off, it's not there. So this is your control bar, and these are some presets, but we're going to jump into the actual palette. And when you do click on window, you can see control, so that's how you get that top one. But we're going to pull this down to image trace. Boom. And let's go advanced, get some more options out here. But so first of all, click on the image, and we're going to go here, and let's go to um, let's just go full on high fidelity. Now, this is going to take, I mean, not a long time, but it warns you it's going to take forever. I don't know, let's say 10 seconds. But this is going to be a full blown vector. It's going to be pretty detailed. I mean, couldn't imagine drawing this. So that's a vector. Isn't that crazy? So if you hit expand, there you go. You can see that you can click on every piece of these things, of the paths, sorry. So that's a very complicated one. I'm going to do undo it. It actually takes a minute to undo it. That's how hard the computer's working here. So, and then I'm going to show you a couple more real quick. So this should be done in a second here. There we go. So we're back to our, oh no, we're not. There we go. We're back to our image. Yeah, our PNG. And let's just pull this down to, like all the way down to black and white logo. Watch this. So, I mean, even though it's not a logo, but yeah, so now, I mean, it's the same. You hit expand, and now you've got, it's fully artsy, but whatever. If this is what you're looking for, look, you can click on that. You can change the color. If you want to change that to, let's just make that part red or pink, whatever. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, let me do a couple undos. Get back to where we were. Okay, PNG again. Nope. Yeah, and so, I mean, that's it. And then, let's just go, I'll show you a medium one, 6 colors. Here we go. And we've got, semi-detailed, basically. But yeah, still cool. I mean, if this is, it depends what you're looking for. So you've got all three. Just make sure you hit expand down here. So that gives you the actual artwork. And, it is grouped typically. So you can ungroup it if you want to click, or you can just use the direct selection tool up here to just click individually. All right, well, that's that. I hope it helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.